Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced, Open Cloze, exercise number CAE018. Let's start with the first question. It was the sale blank my first car that gave me enough money to go travelling for the first time. The correct answer is of. The phrase "the sale of" is a common collocation used to describe the act of selling something. It indicates the possession and transaction, making it clear that the sale involved the speaker's first car. Moving on to the second question. I can't ask for help from anyone in my family. You know what they're blank. The correct answer is like. The phrase "you know what they're like" is used to indicate that the listener is familiar with the typical behaviour or characteristics of the speaker's family. It is an informal expression that assumes the listener understands the implied qualities or habits of the family members. Question 3. Available flavours include blank, only the usual strawberry and chocolate, but also peach. The correct answer is not. The phrase "not only but also" is a common structure used to add emphasis and indicate that there are additional options or items beyond the ones initially mentioned. It highlights the variety of available flavours. Question 4. A collision blank two satellites has filled the sky with debris. The correct answer is between. The word between is used to indicate a relationship or interaction involving two distinct entities. In this case, it specifies that the collision involved two satellites. Question 5. Our ability to mitigate the impacts of climate change will depend heavily blank our willingness to adopt new technologies. The correct answer is on. The word on is the correct answer because it's used to indicate that one thing is dependent on another. It specifies that the degree to which we can lessen the impacts of climate change depends directly on our willingness to use new technologies. Question 6. The reason they are called daily requirements is that we need to consume a number of them blank day. The correct answer here is every or each. Both every day and each day are correct and interchangeable in this context. They indicate the regular daily necessity of consuming these requirements. Question 7. Tess of the D'Urbervilles is probably the novel for blank Thomas Hardy is best known. The correct answer is which. The relative pronoun introduces a defining clause that specifies which novel by Thomas Hardy is being referred to. It indicates that Tess of the D'Urbervilles is the particular work for which he is most famous. Question 8. A hippopotamus can be just blank dangerous as a lion. The correct answer is as. The phrase "as dangerous as" is a standard comparative structure used to indicate that the level of danger posed by a hippopotamus is equal to that of a lion. It highlights the similarity in the degree of danger. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.